So this hike was Bear Canyon to Bear Flats in Mount Baldy, California. Getting to this trail is kind of tricky. You have to park a half a mile up the road across from the fish pond, and then what you'll do is you'll walk down, and across from the Mount Baldy Lodge, you'll see a church, and you have to hike behind that church, up the driveway, the private road, past all the nice houses that are up there. And you just keep going until the end of the driveway, and it'll turn into a trail. There's no signs, but you shouldn't have a problem finding it. And honestly, it was way worth it because there was nobody on the trail and it was a beautiful day out, so woo! It's an old house of some sort. Natural stream. Should be bigger, but this winter's kind of sucked. Mosquitoes think it's spring, so they're spawning everywhere. Meine Schwester und mein Bruder. Meine Schwester, meine Mutter. Meine Schwester! Practicing my German and scaring bears. Hopefully scaring bears. Fucking beautiful. On the desert isle. You never know. It's getting pretty thick. Made it. It's pretty. I think that's where the trail goes, up there and up on top of this ridge, and eventually leads to the top of Baldy. One day I'd like to backpack this trail. I went a little off trail for this view right here. My iPhone doesn't really do justice on how beautiful the spot was, but it's pretty much down by the creek when you get to the last set of switchbacks. I went off into the canyon across the way. Thanks for watching. Remember, get the fuck out there. It's good for your soul.